Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your one side of the earphone or headphone is not working. So it can be very frustrating when one side of your trusted headphone goes silent and hearing sound in only one ear feels off balance. So often you miss the instrument and the sounds that are paying to one side or other, and luckily there are few things you can do it to fix this problem. And so in this video I'm going to teach you or give you some guides to troubleshoot or fix earphones that have gone silent in one ear. Fine. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam and like the video. So let's start the video. First thing you can do is to check to make sure that the head earphones connected properly or not. So if you are using a wired earphone and you notice one side is silent or is not working, the first thing you should is to check to make sure that the earphones are connected properly. So first of all, you have to disconnect the headphones from the headphone jack and reinsert it them. So to make sure it is inserted properly, so you have to see if the problem fix or not. If after inserting second time, if your headphones works properly, it may be your one side is not working due to the improper inserting into headphone jack. So another thing you can do is to, so now the real fix starts. So if you are kind of a person who regularly wrap it or tied up your earphone cords, perhaps to fit it into your pockets, and then this could cause any or both earbuds to stop working. So to know the exact part of the cord that might be affected, you need to troubleshoot. So first of all, you have to connect. Your earphones to your mobile, and when you connect your earphones to your device and play some music, and while listening to it, gradually feel the cord and straighten out one spot at a time. So you have to gradually bend some point of your wire and observe and know the exact spot that you touch that gets both earbuds or earphone working. So when you feel that at this point this your earphone start working, when you press this point, so what you need to do, you need one tape. You can use duct tape or paper tape, and you just need to press this point where your both sides start working or it's now playing music. Then you have to wrap that tape around that spot at least 3 times to keep it straight. So you have to make sure that it does not is bend, because bending the cord or wire, making your sound silent in one side. So you have to make sure that your wires should be straight when you wrap the tape. Fine. So try if you want to check. So third step is if you try to fix earbuds or earphones that works only one side. So you need to first find out if it is a bug with your phone or it is a fault with your earphones. Then you can bother about how to fix the earphone with the one side not working. So to do this, you should try another pair of earphones with the same phone, and if the second pair of earphones works properly, then the fault is from your earphones. So you can use another pair of earphones, and if not, then you will need to fix some bugs in your Android phone to get it working again. If your if the right if the new one is not is also not working with your phone, then you need to fix your Android phone because there is no problem with your earphones or headphones. So yeah, you have to make sure what the problem actually start from. So from where actually the problem start, whether it is the problem has a problem, it is associated with the Android phone or it is with the earphones. So you have to check or examine that. Fine. Now once you make sure that your earphones are working but your phone is not working, so you can do one thing. One reason you can your earphones might not be working could be the presence of debris in your headphone jack. So you know how you sometimes leave the phone unattended in dust prone environment and in your pocket or in your bags. So some debris can get into your headphones jacks or affect headphones jacks and affect the both ears from working properly. So there are different way to clean the headphones jacks. So if you have a can of compressed air available, you can point it out to nizzle out at the port and take out four spray to blow out the dirt. And this is unlikely to cause any damage to your headphone jacks, but it may not take out the tough dirt stuck into your corner of the jack. So another thing you can use to clean your headphone jack is to cotton swab or cotton buds. So you have used that cotton buds to clean your ear. So to use this option, ensure that the buds are not fluffy. It so that you don't have some of the cotton stuck in the earphone jack. So once you are sure that the cotton fit perfectly into your hole, gently push the gently push it into the until it touches the end and spin it gradually like this. And you have to clean the headphone jacks from the bottom one. Fine. And when you remove the jack, the dirt will come out. Fine. So some recommend using the cotton buds lightly coated in the alcohol. If you do this, ensure that you squeeze the excess moisture so that it is not soaked. So however, you should not that the earphone jack is made of steel and can be corroded by the alcohol. So for this reason, this is not option you should adopt unless you really have to. So after a couple of minutes, you can uh, fixing your earphones and give it a try. Fine. So these are the things you can do. And last not the least is to restart your device. Some update in your phone can affect the audio functions of your device. So you can also mistakenly alter the setting in your phone in the course of browsing or operating your device. Fine. So in that case, before going further, first restart the device. And you can restart the device by pressing and holding the power button on the side of your Android phone and select the restart and give the phone a couple of minutes to shut down and restart itself. So these are the things you can apply to fix your earphones if it is not working or one side of the earphone is on silent. So yeah, these are the things you can apply and check whether these fixes can fix your problem or not. So yeah, so right now I'm using the Boat earphones and it costs around 600 rupees, and I just frustrated because first thing first the one side stop working, and then the second side also stop working. So what I did to fix it, I just open this point from here, and the one wire is being removed. Once one wire was removed here, so I just solder it to fix it, and after soldering it, my problem was fixed. So yeah, just solder it to fix, and my problem was fixed. So yeah, that's how.